Hello everyone, welcome to our ERP Production Module in Zoho Creator. So first, we begin by purchasing raw material through bill created in Zoho Books. We have to select the vendor name. After that, we have to give the bill number. The bill date also mandatory. So we have to select the bill date also. After that, we have to select the raw material. Which raw material we want to purchase from vendor. After selecting the raw material, we have to add batches. Suppose we will give the batch as a test A1 which was provided by the vendor. In my case I will use the dummy batch number. After that we have to select the manufacturing date where it will be manufactured and when it will be expired. After that we have to select the quantity, how many quantity you want to purchase the raw material. Like we have select the 1000. After that the rate, because every time the rate will be different of particular raw material. So we have to give the rate. Like suppose we have give 120, as well as submit the form. The relevant data such as raw material grade, batch number, purchase quantity, variable price, supply detail, the purchase date will be automatically come here in Zoho Creator. After that we have a raw material report in which we can see the current status of all raw material in stock. This report displays both the available quantity in kgs and also the used quantity in kgs, providing a comprehensive overview of our inventory. It features drill-down functionality, enabling us to filter the focus on specific material. Like when we select the EVA, it can only show the detailed log related to its usage as a particular raw material. Next we have the bill of materials of module. Here we can create a new BOM or also call a bill of material, and also this is known as a recipe. Each BOM required a name. Like suppose we can give the BOM 7 as a name, and we need to select the raw material that will used in particular recipe. Like we can select the China soap, and we must specify the proportion of each raw material as a percentage. The form will not submit until the total proportion is equal to 100, ensuring that our recipe is in corrected formula. So we have to make the total of proportion as a 100. So the new BOM or recipe will be created here. Moving on the work order form, we select the finished good product which we intend to produce. We have to also input the total raw material quantity in kilogram. From the BOM we have to create it. Earlier we can select the appropriate recipe. Like we have select the BOM 7 as a recipe, so we will select it, which automatically populate a subform with a specific raw material with a particular quantity and quantity as per proportion. After that we have to select the work order date. After that the shift work will take place in A or B or C, and in particular shift there are 8 also shift B1 to B8. If we select A, then it will show A1 to A8. So we have to select the particular batch, and after that finally we select the supervisor from drop down, assigning site over with work order. After it we have to click on update the button to fetch the available grade from the selected raw material. Like this is the grade, and based on choose grade the drop down will be display the corresponding batch number here. Here we can select the available, you can see the available quantity of each batch number, and also proportion that will be defined earlier, and last field will be used as a use quantity. The last column is editable, allowing us to adjust the quantity if we need to use more or less than initially planned. After submitting the form, the status of work order is set to scheduled. We then have to option to confirm the status. Upon the confirmation, the used raw material will be deducted from the both Zoho Inventory and Zoho Creator, ensuring that our inventory level remain accurate at this point. Status change to the confirm. Moving to the next form, finished goods. In the finished good form, we can only view the work order within the status as a confirm. Upon selecting the confirm work order, the total quantity will be automatically populated here based on the work order number. We need to fill the subform along with roll number, the product name with the detail as a width, thickness and length. The square meter will be auto populated here. Like in this field quality, we have to select the quality. If quality is rated as A, the remark field will be hidden for that row. And if the quality will be A minus, the remark field will be show here. So we have select the A quantity and we must provide the quantity in kilogram. As we provide quantity as a 1000, the remaining quantity will be 100. After that we have a wastage form where we need to select the type of wastage and enter the corresponding quantity in kilogram. Like 100 is remaining, so we have select the 100. After that the page will only submit where the remaining quantity is 0. The page submitted successfully. Once the finished good form is submitted, we must need to confirm it. Upon confirmation, the product produced quantity will be added to our inventory with the respective batch number and the quantities. Additionally, the status of associated work order will change to the process, indicating that the production cycle is completed. Here is a finished good roll. We can see all the rolls that are created from finished goods. Today, this is a product report where you can add a new product which is used as a finished goods. Today, this is the raw material list. Lastly, we have a comprehensive dashboard page that provides a key insight to our operation. It displays total count of supervisor, raw materials, finished rolls, total bombs, and total work order. The supervisor work order count, a chart showing us the number of work order managed by each supervisor, and then the total work order quantity count, a chart reflecting that the total quantity handled by the each supervisor. After that, bomb usage chart, work order, a pie chart is showing us the usage of different bombs. After that, we have work order batch shift chart, a donut chart that visualizes the distribution of work order across various shifts. After that, we have a raw material use count, a column chart detailing the quantity of raw material used in production. After that, most productive production, a summary of most productive item being manufactured by us. This module is specific design for solar EV acid manufacturing completion base, and we can also make the same module for manufacturing other sector as well.